To add a new form, in the tab page, right click and insert page after current page. So we have got a new page. Change the text to fees. We have to create both add fees and edit fees in this form itself. So I'm going to add a group box here. Group box. Here I am going to place the label and the information label. Heading label, information label. Copy the labels, right click on copy and paste it in the group box. Paste. Change the text. Fees payment details. In this label, change the text to enter fees details. Save the form. Receipt number, registration number, fees payment reason and amount date. These are the things we are going to add in this form. First, receipt number. Copy label under text box, right click and copy, paste it in the fees payment form. First one is receipt number. Receipt number. Next one is registration number. Copy the registration number and the combo box both. Copy and paste it. Next, fees payment reason. It is text box, so copy the text box on the label and paste it. Change the text to fees payment reason. Next, amount and date, two more. Paste it again. Amount, fees amount. Date. We have to add a button, save fees details. We can copy the button from the previous form. Copy, paste, save fees details. Save fees details. Now save the form. We have created the form for fees payment. We can add some space between the, select all the controls, press Ctrl to select every control when we click down arrow. Select the button and a little bit down. Save the form. We have created the enter fees details form. Thank you for watching.